Hi, I'm Effie from Cricut. Unfortunately, our application review team has decided not to accept you into the Contributing Artist program at this time. But don't feel discouraged. I'm here to share some tips on how you can strengthen your application and try again in 3 months. Our team reviews applications thoroughly, so please pay attention to our criteria and check your application to ensure that it meets the requirements. Reapplying with the same portfolio and SVGs without making adjustments won't be successful. For the Contributing Artist program, Cricut is looking for artists who create original, unique digital art. You don't have to own a Cricut machine, but technical skill is part of the application. So you should know how to design for a cutting machine. There are many great artists out there, but not everyone is right for this program because not everyone understands how to translate digital designs into physical creations. Our team scores applications on the design, clarity, and technical quality of both your portfolio and the SVGs. The SVGs you submit should be ready to cut and easy for a user to assemble. We need to see clean, well-layered, properly formatted, and nicely designed images. Please keep the following technical requirements in mind when designing for Cricut. Elements and negative spaces must be thick enough that material will cut and not tear. Artwork should be uploaded at the intended size. Members can scale your image up or down to whatever size they wish, but images should be created with intention. Excessive, unnecessary anchor points, floating points, or extra elements, and invisible shapes are not acceptable. Textures that require more anchor points must cut the material and not tear it. Often, when you create digital designs, file setup isn't as important because the end user only sees the image from the top down. However, the Cricut machine will still see any hidden layer within a working art. It's important that you delete and not just turn off extra layers that contain design elements. Layered images must also have clear indicators for where the next layer sits in relation to the rest of the design. Elements of the same color that are intended to be cut from the same layer should be welded or compounded. Fonts and strokes need to be expanded and outlined. The portfolio you submit should reflect the type of artwork that you would upload if you were accepted. A graphic design or painting portfolio may show us your talent and skill for design, but it doesn't help us decide if you're right for this program. A personal website, art-focused Instagram, or alternative marketplace where you sell your designs are strong portfolio submissions. YouTube channels or design space profiles are not good options as it can be difficult to discern which artwork is original to you. A few of the most common reasons someone is rejected from the program are that their SVGs that they submitted are not set up to cut, we can't open your portfolio is too small and only contains the images you submitted for technical review, the style of your portfolio doesn't match the style of the submitted SVGs, all of your artwork is licensed imagery, or your portfolio or SVGs contain 3D projects, not 2D images. There's a difference between images and projects. Cricut defines a project as elements that require additional instruction to assemble. At this time, we can only accept 2D images through the Contributing Artist program. No boxes, cards, candy holders, flowers, etc. We welcome artists of all design aesthetics and artistic backgrounds. We encourage you to compare your submission to our standards and submit a new application in 3 months. Thank you for your interest in Cricut's Contributing Artist program. We hope to work with you in the future.